There really is no typical day for a social worker, I would say, and we can plan, and we would say our diaries would be very busy, but that can change with a phone call or an email from somebody, and you end up going out to deal with an emergency that's come in. It's about coming together as a team. You may need to go off and help a colleague, deal with a situation, but day to day you would generally be having your visits, which could be in the family homes, to see children and do pieces of work with parents and with the kids within the family. Today I'm going out to schools to see some children and be doing some specific work with them, but we could be in court, we could be going to meetings, dealing with other professionals, but it can vary. So there isn't a typical, it changes day to day. My story is a strange one. I'd always sort of been fascinated with people and working with people, and as a teenager I was involved in a project within prison where I lived, and that I was quite interested around why people did what they did or got to where they did, and wanted to be able to make a difference and help people. I ended up being a travel agent for about 12 years, and a friend of mine came in and had just qualified as a social worker and told me all about it and just said, "Be the best thing you ever do." And I went home that day and applied, and I've never looked back. I enjoyed the degree, the studying of it, the placements that you get with it, that experience. And I think you probably go into it thinking you definitely want to do one specific area. I think I came in wanting to work with people with drugs and alcohol issues, and I've come out loving working with children, and that's not what I expected. And I think it is very much one of those where there is lots of different areas you can go into. As hard and as difficult and as tough and as emotional as the job is, I genuinely love my job. I love being a children's social worker. I'm proud to be a children's social worker. I think it's that building of relationships, it's that turning things around for families and be able to walk away knowing we've done that good work. If I was talking to somebody and they were asking me about being a social worker or applying for the degree, I would absolutely say just go ahead and do it. I didn't regret it, and I don't think that they would either.